Aveva Santo Mondo! Aveva Santo Mondo! Aveva Santo Mondo! I landed on my elbow and I heard a good crunch. And my arm went numb, my hands, but see, I could move all
I don't
this.
like that color.
No, it hurts. Same color as the other hand.
Not true.
I could move all Aveva Santo Mondo!